What you eat will determine how you live, how you behave, how you even relate to you.
According to Dr. Sebi, detoxification is at the heart of ridding the body of the herpes virus. There is no other way that will bring the necessary results. The three things that Dr. Sebi says that you must do to rid the body of the herpes virus is 1. Stop putting acid foods in the body. In fact, stop eating. 2. Cleansing the body of toxins and acids, which also increases oxygen to the cells using alkaline herbs. And 3. Feeding the body nutrients to repair, rebuild, and strengthen at a cellular level. So when you're detoxing, you want to take your cleansing herbs and things like that so that it can clean your body out. Then you want to reintroduce the revitalizing herbs. This is when you're eating your alkaline foods and things like that. You want to go ahead and take the revitalizing herbs. However, if your body can handle a prolonged fast, you can take the revitalizing herbs after you've done your cleanse, and then take that while you're still fasting, and it should give you faster results. But you do want to make sure that you're taking your sea moss during that time as well, so that you can rebuild up some of the things that you have flushed out during your cleanse that are beneficial. So the first herb is Peo Pereira. It effectively suppresses the herpes virus. It also inhibits replication of the herpes simplex virus genome. So this is a great herb that has multiple benefits. It also is great at killing cancer cells, even brain cancer. So this is an awesome herb that I recommend that you keep on hand if possible. The next is Pau de Arco. Its chemical constituents have demonstrated in vitro antiviral properties against herpes 1 and 2, influenza, poliovirus, and vascular stomatitis virus, as well as many other viruses. So this is a great herb that really targets herpes virus 1 and 2. Next is oregano essential oil. It is antiviral, best at 90% concentrate. Anything less than 90% is not really going to give you the benefit that you need to heal from the herpes virus. You want to apply it to your lower spine, which is where the HSV2 herpes virus is dormant. It can also be applied under the tongue as well as to the genital area. You want to use it 2 to 3 times per day. I recommend you put 10 drops into 2 ounces of extra virgin olive oil, or you can also use coconut oil, because you want to dilute this or it will burn your skin. You can also use ginger essential oil. It's very similar with the effects as oregano oil. It has the potential to kill the herpes virus on contact. It must be diluted as well with a carrier oil. You can pretty much use the same ratios as I stated for the oregano oil. I do offer HSV oil. It contains many of the essential oils mentioned in this video, as well as several others that have been very effective at clearing up outbreaks. As you can see by the many reviews, it has been very successful for a lot of people, even over some pharmaceutical medications. If you are having an outbreak, a herpes outbreak, a sea salt bath will help to absorb electrolytes through the skin and provide relief during the outbreak. So you want to soak in a tub that you filled with warm water, and put you maybe a good 1/4 cup or so to a 1/2 cup of sea salt into the water, and make sure that it's completely dissolved. Some herpes viruses can be triggered by stress, so I'm going to go over some adaptogens. They help to relieve stress during the healing process and decrease potential breakouts, which can be activated by stress. The first is holy basil. This adaptogen helps with adrenal fatigue. And of course, that will trigger herpes outbreaks. And then the next is blue vervain. It's another adaptogen that supports the adrenal gland and helps to relieve stress.